Hey everyone, it's Tara. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a nail set using all Modelones products that I got off Amazon. Everything I got was very affordable and easy to find, so I'll have links down for everything in the description. So the first thing I got was a nail primer and dehydrator set, and it just comes with a little instruction. And then these are full-size bottles, and so this is an acid-free primer and a dehydrator. The next thing that I got was this gel polish kit. There are 6 gel polishes in here and they're supposed to be jelly nude. So I'm just going to try to get these open. So this one came with a little card that says redefine, and then on the back it says you define the standards of beauty. I thought that was just so cute and inspirational. And then it also came with this huge poster planner thing, and I was like, oh my goodness, that's just so cool. Like, so I should have took a picture of it, but I didn't. So it says your own color, you define it. So there's a big picture of a hand, and at the bottom it says you can be powerful and beautiful. I know that's right. So then at the top it just gives you, like, it says day 1 or 1 day, you decide, and then shows you some other little products. And then I'm pretty sure I saw like a little planner thing at the top, and then there's a gel polish manual, but I think we know what to do by now, y'all. So these are what the gel bottles look like. They have a little viewing window, so don't keep these near your window or, you know, any kind of light source from outside. The next thing I got was this even bigger gel polish kit. This one has 24 colors in it. I'm not going to show all of them because I bought this probably like a year ago. I don't know if it's still up there or not, but they look exactly the same. They have that little viewing window. I'll try to find this kit and link it as well, but I'm literally only using one color out of here. So here's each bottle has a number on the top of it to show the name of the color. I guess they just have numbers on these. And so this first one was just a really pretty kind of neutral nude, almost has like a rose tone. Very pretty. I will be actually swatching these on a nail in a little bit, but for now I'm just showing you real quick what they look like inside. This next one was like almost an olive brown color. Very, very pretty, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna use this one because this one just looks like the perfect nude color to suit maybe my skin tone. And then I saw this one and I was like, this one isn't really opaque. I mean, it's not really translucent. It was very opaque, but it was very pretty. And then you have the next one. It was a milky white, and I was like, oh, okay, maybe I'll use this one. Like, literally everyone I opened, I was like, I'm gonna use this one, I'm gonna use this one. But I wanted to make this set simple to try the aura nails thing, so y'all see how that turned out. But then I saw this one, it was like a bubblegum pink, and I was like, okay, I don't know if this one's really translucent either. I don't know if this one's really a jelly one, but it's just such a pretty like bubblegum pink, kind of like what I already have on now. And then this last one was, let me see, I don't remember. Oh yeah, this last one, I was like, okay, this is the one. Like, this one would look good on all skin tones. It's translucent, I can see that from there. So pretty. So this was a very, very good kit. So now I'm gonna actually swatch all of them on a nail tip, so I'll just let you watch that for a little while. Okay, so that was all of the swatches. Very, very pretty. I literally loved all of them. It was just so hard to choose one to try and do a simple set for this video. What did y'all think of all those swatches? Which one would look good on you? Which one do you think would look good on me? So right now, even though I'm using a fake hand, I'm just gonna prime the nail tips so that I can glue the other tips on them easier. I didn't use the dehydrator because there's not really any oil to take off of the fake hand. But I'm gonna glue these on with a gel base coat, also by Modelones. And I'm gonna be using this new lamp, or this, yeah, new little like one finger nail lamp that I got off Amazon too. And this was actually a really good buy. I went through a couple before, and one of the ones I had it wouldn't like actually cure the nail, but this one cures it super fast. Like in seconds, it's already starting, like it's the same strength as a regular full-size nail lamp. And then another one I had just didn't work at all. So yeah, this one I've used it a couple of times. It works really good, and it was like $10 or $12. So I will link that. You definitely need to get one if you don't have you one. And then I'm just drilling the ends of the nail tips. I'm really liking that moon shape lately. I think that's what it's called anyway, where the very end of the tip is kind of rounded inward, inverted. I don't know. But I've seen on Instagram sometimes people call it a moon tip. I just think they're super cute. It just adds like an extra like cute look. They're just really cute. So this is how you get that look. If you've ever seen it before and was wondering how, it's really hard to do with just a regular hand file. So I've just started using a hand drill, a regular drill to do that. And that's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and do all of them, but yeah, off camera. So now I'm applying the primer to the entire nail surface, and this way I don't have to do any buffing. It just like it eliminates dust and hair and other things that just magically appear onto your nails after you put base coat on. So yeah, I literally don't even use base coat anymore before I do gel polish. I only use a acid-free primer, and it just takes the smooth surface off of the nail because it like kind of melts it a little bit, but it makes brush strokes in it so that your gel polish sticks and doesn't peel off. So this is the color I decided to use as my base color for each nail. So I'm going to go in with 2 coats. A couple of the nails, if I did thinner coats, I actually went ahead and just did 3. So I'll just let you watch that for a second. So that's what we're looking like after 2 or 3 full coats on each nail. And I went ahead and got out my airbrush and tested this color on one of the nails to see if this one will, show up looking right to try to do the aura nail trend. And yeah, I do need a little bit more practice with it, but I was like, okay, I'm gonna still go ahead and post this. I got a new airbrush, also off Amazon. This video is just full of new little Amazon finds, ain't it? And this isn't going to be really an airbrush tutorial because I don't really know what I'm doing yet. I literally just opened the box, put some gel in it, put some acetone in it, says you got to use acetone. And y'all, I just started spraying. I just started spraying. So, I mean, it didn't come out bad. It just looks like an ombre just there in the middle of the nail. It doesn't really look like the aura thing. But, yeah, so I'm just spraying a little bit on the middle of each nail, and I'm just going to cure them all after. I think it looks like an aura nail, which, it didn't, but it kind of did, but it was kind of cute too for what it was. So, yeah. Now, I will say though, this was really fun. And I do think I'm slightly addicted to airbrushing. Is that weird? Because, I mean, it looks cute. It just doesn't look like the aura nail trend. So, anyways, here we are now that I think I'm done with it. And you'll see it looks a little bit different. So I went ahead and just kept going over with the purple. And then I took that pink again and went around the edges of the purple to try to make it more ombre because I used a little bit too much purple. So like I said, this is not an airbrush tutorial because I don't know what I'm doing yet, but I'm definitely going to go with this because it still came out cute. So after I cured all that, you'll see I'm going in with the top coat over each nail, and we just gonna finish these right on up. So that's basically it for you guys for this video. I'm just going to go ahead and show you some pictures that I took because y'all, I was feeling so proud of how these came out. I really, really love these. I hope y'all did too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.